Hello everyone and welcome to Reentry. In this video I'll go through the steps you need to take in order to set up your Xbox One controller with Reentry. So first of all, make sure that your controller is connected either through USB or the Windows adapter, the wireless adapter, and then go into Properties and make sure that everything works as it should. You can also see the status OK there, indicating that everything should be fine. And then you'll step into a Reentry and go to Settings and Input Controls. And from here, you will first need to assign the controller. So then I'll hit Assign Controller, and then I'll press any button on the controller itself, and you should see that the input driver has been detected and assigned in the right side of the screen. The next thing that you will need to do is to set up and bind everything you want to bind with the Xbox controller. So first of all, for example, pitch, I'll use one of the axes for that. I'll just need to wait for this one, and then I'll move the axis I want. Same with yaw. And roll, I'm going to use triggers for that. So right and left, that's the shoulder buttons. And translation, I'm going to use the other thumbstick. So vertical, up and down. And then horizontal. And then for forward and aft, I'll use A and B. So forward, that's A, and aft is B. Okay, so with that set up, I can now jump into any of the crafts. I'll, for example, go with the Gemini, and I'll do the docking training mission. And I'll just quickly load into this scenario. It will basically take you in Earth orbit in a close proximity to Agena. So you can basically just load in there and start testing out how your craft works in relative to Agena and get to practice that maneuver.
Mark, 50 seconds, you're looking good, 8.
And in this save state, everything should be configured correctly, so you can basically start maneuvering your craft directly once the panel state is completed loading. So you can see that the OMS is open, so we get propulsion to the jets, and our control mode for attitude is set to rate command. And then if I take a look at my radar settings, I've set it to radar and then attitude. So this will basically use the radar to guide me towards Agena. So now using my Xbox controller, you can see that I can start to maneuver the craft towards the target location. So let me just do this. I'm using Xbox controller mostly for translational control, and then I have another joystick assigned to do attitude control. But now I've unhooked everything and I'm only using the Xbox controller. And now you can see that I'm burning towards it. I have attitude control and translational control. So now I'm going left, right, and towards it, and I can roll using the triggers. Yeah, so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this will help you. If you like these kinds of videos, please let me know. Give me feedback in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button if you want more. Thanks again.